Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Global Technology. Today I'll show you making a wireless AC detector circuit. If you use this circuit, then you don't need any tester. It is a very cheap project and you can make this circuit at home. To make this circuit, we might need some electronics components. First, we might introduce with these components. To make this circuit, first we need two transistors. Transistor value C945. This is an N-pin transistor. It have three terminals. The three terminals have different names. On, 2, 3. 1 number emitter, 2 number collector and 3 number base. On piece 5 mm LED, 2.2 ohms resistor on piece, 9 volt battery on piece and on piece battery connector. Connect both transistor collector and other transistor base with other transistor emitter. Connect resistor with emitter. Connect LED positive leg with resistor. Now we connect a antenna with base. Now we connect 9 volt battery connector with this circuit. Connect 9 volt battery connector positive cable with collector and negative cable with negative leg of LED. Our circuit is ready for use. Now we connect this battery with battery connector. Now we check this. Now we check this circuit. To check this circuit, we using a soldering iron. You can see our soldering iron is connected with AC port and our indicator light is glowing. For a moment, we off our studio light. Now we check this circuit. You can see our circuit is working. Now we disconnect our soldering iron with AC port. And you can see our indicator light is not glowing. And now we check this circuit. We connected. You can see there are no signal of this circuit. That means this circuit is working. Again we connected AC port with soldering iron. And this time our circuit is working. So friends, it is a very cheap and small project. You can use this project as like a school or college project and you can make this circuit at home easily. So if you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel.